Hey you guys, so welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing here for the month of January. It is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus as well as the original Ipsy bag for the month of January. I know it's been a while. I know it's been quite some time since I've done an Ipsy unboxing here on my channel. I decided to give a little bit of a break to my subscription boxes because I had so many multiples of things that were in my collection. I just felt like I wasn't really going through the products enough and I was getting multiples and I just kind of needed a break. So Ipsy actually emailed me and asked if they could send over these boxes to me, and I was laughing because I was like, oh my gosh, like it has been some time since I've done these Ipsy unboxings, but yeah, let's go ahead and see what's going on. I do have two boxes to share with you. I have the Glam Bag Plus as well as the small original Glam Bag. So I'm going to put timestamps in case you guys have either or you want to watch the entire thing. Let's just go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the little bag. It is a frosted kind of a see-through bag, and it says Dream on it. I think that's what it just says Dream on it. And then it's got a little blue zippered pouch to it. So the first thing I have here is a Youth to the People. Oh, and this is a kombucha and 11% AHA exfoliation power toner. Whoa. This is a liquid exfoliator that is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of pores. I definitely have to give that a try. I have such large pores like right in here. So I'm definitely going to try that out. Youth to the People, I have heard of them and I'm excited. I gotta know what this is because this is like the brightest thing in my bag. Alright, so this is salmon cream. It's a luxurious rich cream that combines peptides and salmon caviar to effectively smooth, firm, and plump the skin. Oh no. I don't like fish at all. I don't like the texture, the smell, no. So I'm hoping that this doesn't smell like salmon because otherwise I will not use it. Oh good, okay. It doesn't smell like anything. It actually smells really refreshing. The next thing I have here is the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Patina. I actually do think I had one of these, like the shade of this, a long time ago. And I like it, the color, right? I like the color. I'm not a big fan of the Stila liquid lipsticks. I think they are slightly a little too drying for my lips, and I feel like throughout the day they kind of crumble. Yeah. Last thing I have is by CoverFX. This is a shimmer veil in the shade Celestial. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. This is beautiful. It's kind of like a silvery pink. This would be really pretty as an inner corner highlight. You know what? Let's try. Let's try it. I'm like, maybe I'll try it. Let's give it a shot. Oh, that kind of just elevated it, didn't it? It's drying pretty quickly, actually. Yeah, I like that a lot. I could definitely see myself wearing that. So that is the first bag, and I will say that is probably one of the better bags that I've had for a small bag in quite some time. For a while there, I feel like they were always throwing an eyeshadow brush and like mediocre products, but like I really love that those are really well-known brands that a lot of them I haven't tried. So now they're bringing in this little bag right here. Says Dream on it. It's a little pouch. I don't use these pouches, but my kids really like these bags. My son likes to use these to hold his Lego sets when we travel. So if you're a parent, I think that they work really nicely to throw in your purse with like a set of Legos so that they can play. But that's just if you're a parent. They actually get used quite a bit in my house. The first thing I have here is by IGK. This is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I actually do have a size, like a deluxe size sample. It's like this big. It's a leave-in conditioner, and I really just put it at the ends of my hair when I get out of the shower, and it is amazing for your hair. You don't need a lot. I love the way that it makes my ends feel. It has that definite like softness feel to it. It really minimizes the look of your dead ends of your hair. So the next thing I have in here is called Naked Papaya, and this is a gentle enzyme face cleanser, and this is by Kinship, a foaming cream cleanser that purifies, hydrates, and softens the skin without stripping. I like it. I like that a lot. Yes, freaking love this stuff. This is by Pure Lease. This is the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. I really love the Pure Lease brand. They were something that I was a little hesitant to try out, and I actually tried them through our boxes, and quite a few of you guys that watched my boxes mentioned that you guys really love the Pure Lease moisturizer, so I was like, oh, I'll give it a shot, and it was a game changer. Like, it really does do what it says. So this one is made for oily combo and normal skin, and it's also good for sensitive skin, which I feel like my skin is right now. It's not gonna be over hydrating, especially for those of us that have like an oily combo skin type. This is really great because it is still hydrating, but without the feel of it being thick on your face. So I do have another brush. This is by Lauder. I don't know that I've heard of this brand, but I've seen barrels like that. All right, so there you have it. It's like a little dome-shaped brush. I don't know that I would use this for my eyes, but I would use this to kind of blend out the contour on my nose. But it's really soft. Ooh. Next one I have is by Anastasia. I didn't know Anastasia was in our boxes. Is that like something new? This is the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. This is pretty heavy for a mascara. Like, it's got a really good weight to it. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh. So, alright, so it's got a little bit of like a curve in the middle. I don't know, we'll have to give it a shot. I like the weight of this though. And the last thing I have is actually by a brand that I've never tried, but I have heard of. It is a Florence by Mills, and this is the Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. So I have lavender, and it is a iridescent purple peel off mask that helps us reset our skin after a tiring week. I just haven't ever tried anything by Florence Mills because I feel like it's not a brand that is necessarily geared towards what I like. I feel like it's very youthful, and a lot of the products in there just don't, I don't get excited about, but, oh, whoa, but I do like the color. Oh, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. All right, so here you have it. Look at that. It's a really pretty color. I'm interested to see how intense the peel off is. Like, I'm just not a really big fan of peel off masks. And I've talked about this before on my channel, I'm a very traditional mask wearer. Like, I like a normal traditional face mask. The peel off mask and like the hydrating sheet mask just really don't do a whole lot for me. I kind of wish that this was just like a wash off mask. Like, you would put it on and then kind of wash it off, but I'll give it a shot. I haven't heard anything bad about this brand. I actually have heard really great things about it and have seen it in Ulta. I just have never been geared towards it, but I'll definitely give it a shot and see how I like it. Overall, I will say both bags were definitely really great. I actually feel like the money is there in the value of the bag. The small bag particularly, I was very impressed with because the last couple months that I had, before I paused my membership, that was the reason why I wasn't very excited about the $10 or $12 bag. I wasn't very excited about it because I just felt like it wasn't anything, I wasn't excited about it anymore. But the last I will say the products that were in here this month, I'm very impressed by. As far as the Glam Bag Plus goes, that is the one that I've always stated was probably the best value if you had to get something from Ipsy, because I always felt like the value of the box, the products that you got in there, were always well worth the price of the box. As far as like the box this month, it is definitely very skin heavy, although I will say that a lot of the products, minus maybe one or two, were definitely products that I could see myself using immediately, and I'm very impressed with the fact that we got an Anastasia product alone. The mascara was really nice. I know the Pure Release moisturizer, I'm very excited about that. So overall, I'm very impressed with the boxes. If you guys want to check out anything about Ipsy, I will link the information down below as well as the pricing goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you guys got for your Ipsy boxes. If you guys have signed up for that newer membership, let me know down below and what your thoughts are on it. I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Make sure to hit those notifications and that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.